right, so I'm gonna click back. This is my start screen here. I can't show you exactly what a student sees because I don't really have access to that through Canvas right now. But if you click on the link in Canvas to get to this Word 2016 Chapter 1 SAM project, it will bring you to the screen. So in Canvas, in the Weeks module, click on that link. That's how you get to your assignments. It's going to take you into MindTap. It shows you have 4 attempts. So on this one, we're giving you 4 attempts so that you get to practice with the technology. I click Start. I'm going to click back because I've already been in here. So this will be your next screen. I've been in here clicking. So what makes this a little bit different from your textbook projects is you're using the textbook and following through the steps in the textbook. So in order to complete your SAM projects, you need instructions. So these are 3 files that you'll click and download. One is an instructions of how to complete the project. One is your start file, and then in this case you have a support file, which is an image, a .png. So I have already downloaded those. So I have those 3 down in my taskbar here. So I'm going to click on the instructions. So what I want you to see in this instruction here, the first thing it has you do is to change just one thing in the file name as you save it. So this is the name of the file that you've downloaded, and all you want to do is change that 1 to a 2 in order to save this in your Word folder. So I'm going to open this, enable editing, and click File, Save As. I'm going to go to my Comp 101 folder, Word, Chapter 1, and notice it says Test Student because I'm doing the best I can of showing what a student sees. So I'm going to change that 1 to a 2. That's all I have to do, and click Save. Now I'm working in my document. I also want to go back to my browser. I want to save this file, this image. So I click Show in here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to copy this, go to my folder, and I'm going to paste that. So I've already put this in here, so I don't need to paste it, but you'll need to paste it. Obviously, I have downloaded this before. So here's my support file for my assignment. And then I can see up here, this is my test student example for you. This is when I downloaded it as myself in my instructor login. So here we go, I've got my test student. I also have my support file. And if I want to, I could save my instructions in that folder as well so that I have the instructions there. So if I go back to my instructions, this is where I follow these. It might be good for you to print these off so that you have them sitting next to you. Tells you what files you need. So we have those. We have changed the document from a 1 to a 2, and we've saved those in our folder, and we can begin working. So it tells you what to start doing in your first steps. You're helping to coordinate an audition for a local community theater and are creating a flyer for the event. Begin by changing the document theme colors to green. So if I go back, I want to make sure I'm working in the 2. In fact, I'm going to close the other one. So if I come in here and I go to colors and I go to theme colors, I'm going to choose green. And so you can see that that's changing. So I want to follow those steps and complete all of this and then save the changes that I've made. And that's how you get started on your first SAM project.